Can you believe we're in the middle of nowhere and this little boat came and parked next to us last night, and they've been spearfishing with torches all night, but the weather looks wicked. We had a couple of spots of rain at like 3 AM and it was just that, just a couple of spots. He's down there, I can't even see him.
Good morning. Oh, they were close.
Yeah. Alright, I reckon we get sorted.
Let's do it. I'm ready. Like my blanket. Nice tarpaulin. Did the job. So good.
Did. It was like sleeping in a plastic bag. Sweat. It was a bit of a sweatshop.
Yeah. Well, it was warmer.
It was heaps warmer.
Yeah.
I can tell every time you move.
Yeah.
Yeah, did it keep you dry from rain or just wet from sweat?
I don't know. But it was definitely more comfortable under the tarp.
So the game plan was to sleep in this little blue hole that we did last night, because it's only like 500 meters from a really good fishing spot. So sun's not even up yet and we're on our way. Had a breakfast of champions this morning, a couple of Yellowfin, and that's it. I don't know, John crashed probably about 10. No, not even.
Really, that probably 8 something.
Yeah, he actually crashed at about 8 something. We probably crashed at about 10. Well, I did. I left Andy up with a long neck. And he was just sitting there like a hobo in the corner with his long neck. I was meant to keep up with him, like awake, but I just fell asleep. But then we all sort of woke up at 11 o'clock feeling like it was sort of 5 o'clock in the morning and we're all fresh and ready to go, but it was only 11 o'clock. So yeah, we went back to sleep. All was really good, awesome night. And then about 3 AM, like the forecast was we were supposed to get some rain and lightning at 3 AM. And we woke up at 3 AM and it was sweet. And I'm like, it's supposed to be pissing down now. And then like within 15 minutes, the rain came.
15 minutes, it was like 5 minutes.
Within 5 minutes. Yeah, the rain came, but it was only a couple drops. So we just pulled that tarp up and then yeah, got a couple more hours sleep, I guess. Well, was it? Yeah, basically 2 hours.
Or whatever you call that.
Yeah. A couple more hours of just horizontal, not horizontal exercise, no, horizontal relaxation. But look at this. Wow. Yeah, I think you might need to drive out, Andy, because we're pushing in. Come on. I want to do it without sending you over the back.
Yeah, touchy throttle.
Yeah. doing, brother? I thought the ocean was broken.
They're not exactly on fire, are they?
Did you? Yep.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Back.
Wow.
Righto.
Nice fish.
That is a nice one.
Yeah.
That's
thick, eh?
fat out
Quite
here.
solid, eh? They're feeding well.
Nice fish, Andy.
Yep.
Man, you got a couple of bloody good ones this trip.
That's been good. Get out.
Red bass, I think. Come on. Lost him. This little spot feels fishy for sure.
It does, eh? Current might wake them up a bit. I don't even need to move because I can see
Yeah.
the line of bombing right down through there.
I think it's super shallow in front though.
Yeah, I think I have to come back out when we get there.
Yeah. John is on.
Current's woken him up. Just going to turn us out. Oh, he's busted you on the reef.
Yeah. I thought we were shallow. Damn. That was a good fish too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The GT. Yeah, use this. Use this while we retie that.
Oh, sorry about that, man.
That's all right. It's Andy's lure.
It's fine. Same thing happened to me. Oh no, it didn't. You went and dived in and got it.
Reefed.
Right.
John's going for Fisherman of the Year award.
You guys just keep giving me.
Oh, that's a sailfish or something for sure.
On my line. Tuna?
Tuna.
That was massive.
Be a sail, eh?
It has to be a sailfish.
Put a skirt on if you want.
Ready? Pull back around it. Look.
Still
look.
there, it's feeding. We've got to do it.
All right.
Right. Won't hit a Rapala, but this could be exciting.
Watch your toes.
Yeah.
We have a sailfish or something just hammering it over here. I think there's little. I think it's eating skipjacks or something.
Well, guys, we've been out here for a few hours now, and we were just about to go back and have breakfast. We had a couple bites, got a nice trevally on board actually, and then we saw a bunch of tuna and a sailfish. Like they have the big bill on the front, and it was just walking on the water. So we quickly forgot about breakfast, and we've been trolling around here, and Mike's on to another one. So I'll let you guys see what this is. What's your guess, Mike?
Tuna. Yellowfin.
Yellowfin.
Right, where's the gaff?
Gaff, gaff, gaff.
Gaff.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Yeah! Nice one. You gaffed him and bled him at the same time.
Yeah. Let's
Nice.
get some hooks out.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how it's done. Mike showing us all up. First yellowfin of the trip.
Well, I think we can hang out here a bit more.
Yes.
They'll come back up.
We don't really need breakfast anymore, actually. We pulled out the cake. So.
Shout out Morgan and Denver. Thank you so much for the cake. Amazing.
Yeah.
come off.
No! No!
No.
I think you actually
Yeah.
the first one did come off, and then it hit another one did.
The second one was big.
Yeah.
Good time.
No. Lure gone.
Bit the shark hopper.
Oh no, look. My thing let go.
No way.
Good thing. Fucking swivel pulled out. I've never seen that.
That was a big fish. I had that all round and it was feeling. Shit! That was a big one.
Not alone.
Not alone. It's in that same zone too.
Really?
Yeah. See this wedge here? That's first circle.
Oh yeah.
Is where we got the first one. The second circle is where we got the next one. So I'm just going to keep going around like that.
Perfect.
All right, guys, so obviously we are back. That was a massive couple of days, I've got to say. I am hanging to get that Bimini shade on that boat because it is bloody brutal out in the sun just all day. But we're back. We've been filleting fish for like 90 minutes. We have a gigantic mountain of flesh, and we've got some yellowfin here where we're going to do a bit of sashimi now. We're going to have some lunch. And John is on the barbecue.
Ooh, do my thing.
Doing your thing.
I wonder why you're having like sausages when you've got all this fish. Just adding my 2 cents in.
Right. Sexy. So we're a little bit sunburned. A bit sunburnt. We're hot, we're dehydrated, but oh my God, so worth it. Crazy couple of days. Just nothing better than just hanging out with good blokes in an amazing place like that, on an adventure like that. And now,
The
some
spoils.
yellowfin tuna sashimi. Bit of soy, bit of wasabi. Do you like wasabi?
Yes.
Everybody? Yeah.
Alright.
John's about to jump on his motorbike and go riding in the rain.
Yeah.
He'd like the challenge. Anyone can ride a motorbike in the dry. Alright, guess first. Where you go?
No, who should go first?
Go
Who
for
should
it.
go first is the person who did the most, like, best fishing.
I'm not going to
Oh,
argue
that's
about
it,
it.
man. Get in there.
Inundated with flies right now.
That's because you stink.
Yeah, it's because we haven't had a shower for 2 days.
Oh. Just like melt in your mouth.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It is literally the
Right,
candy of the
fine,
ocean.
Fine.
Oh,
Does not get better than that. Or fresher than that.
You guys can sit back and relax because this will be half an hour of this. Watching us.
yeah, you got time to go for a toilet break,
Yeah.
cup of coffee, bottle of water.
We're gonna finish this on camera.
Well, thank you for a great couple of days, Michael. Putting us on the fish. Again.
I try.
100%.
Excellent.
And I assume that 60% of you aren't subscribed to his channel. So, if you like this kind of content, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe because it helps Mike know if he's supposed to make more videos like this. Which is good for us, friends of Mike, because then we get to go on more trips like this. So like, share it to your friends, and subscribe.
Check out that. That's some
Ooh.
serious meals
It is.
ready to go.
And that's only 1/3 of
And
the
that's
fillets.
literally one person serving, isn't it?
It is. And we released quite a few fish too, so yeah, good stuff.
For the sausage.
You're gonna have to make him cut this now.
I just wanted to whack him on the really with the sausage.
Again, now you know how I feel.
I've been surrounded by sausage for 2 days. I
You need to be hit in the face with it again.
Alright guys, so that wraps up a bloody big couple of days and another video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Hopefully I did it some justice. It was a phenomenal trip. You know, I think I said earlier on in the video that it wasn't good timing in terms of fishing. You know, the moon phase wasn't good. The tides and everything weren't all that good. Low pressure systems, never all that good. And we still managed to chip away and catch quite a few fish. You know, we caught quite a few fish. We caught and kept, we caught and released. And you know, it wasn't easy, it was hard work, but yeah, we got a few. So it was a learning experience, and just about everywhere we went was new ground. We actually only went to one spot that we've ever fished before, so everything else was learning new. So we're learning all the time. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much to those of you who have subscribed and become a part of our immersion community. Thank you for leaving, you know, comments and liking. And if you enjoyed this video, this is just the beginning of a few of those more mission-driven type trips, like longer trips. I've got the T-top bimini that's I'm still waiting. It's probably going to be another 6 weeks still before I get that. But once I do get that, then we're going to be able to organize a full enclosed area all around that, so that when we do overnighters like that, we can turn the whole front end of the boat, that whole casting deck area, into like a tent sort of camping area. So we're going to be able to even go further and wider and be more comfortable. And I've got a whole heap more GoPro batteries rocking up as well, which is going to make the process a lot easier. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will do my best to keep upping the content and keep giving you more and more value. If you want to see a different perspective of the trip that we've just done, and if you want to also just see some great content that's coming out of Fiji, go over to see Jon's channel, the Waka Family. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go over and see their journey. They're doing amazing things, you know, moving their family from Canada over to Fiji, living in a village here in Fiji, and doing things from a great stuff from a business and community point of view. So get across and check out those guys and give them a like and a comment, and give them some support as well. So thanks guys, catch you later.